I too know why the caged bird sings. I'm Reverend Pamela M. Pinckney Butts, presidential candidate for the United States of America. If you remember, in the days of Nebuchadnezzar, Daniel, the king issued a decree that if anyone were caught praying or did not bow to the idols, that they were to be thrown into the den of lions. Well, as you see, Donald Trump and that governor in Ohio are stating if you don't wear a mask, to throw you in jail. There's no difference for a situation they caused. And in the days of Ahasuerus, Vashti compromised her royalty for respect, and Esther compromised her respect for royalty. Well, I don't compromise either one. I demand respect and that I walk in the royalty for which I operate, which I have been born into a royal priesthood and a chosen generation, a chosen nation. I'm Reverend Pamela M. Pinckney Butts, presidential candidate for the United States of America. I'd like to have your vote and your support. And you women don't need to line up to wait to see what Joe Biden makes his mind, whether you're suitable or not. You're a woman and you're blessed whether you have a man in your life or not. There's nothing wrong with men. I have a dad and I have a mom who have been married for 63 years this year. And they have let me know that family matters, faith matters, finances matter, and futures do matter. Your vote and your voice do matter. And they have not compromised me for our royalty or our respect. Remember to vote for me in this election. Those of you who would like to help me, please do so. And I'm a little bothered by the mere fact that some people call me their little sister, but they do in other females. You can't say that I've done that. You can't say that I have advocated for justice and equality for what is right. Not always convenient, but what is right. Anybody who'd like to get some of my yard signs, please feel free to do so. I'm Reverend Pamela M. Pinckney Butts, presidential candidate for the United States of America in this 2020 election. And I want you females to know that you do matter. We do matter. Our lives, our vote, and our voices do matter because we make up the family. All rights reserved for this video and others, because nothing takes place without a woman in place. I am the founder and visionary of Global Engagement, Dissolving Violence Against Women and Children, and No Fear But God and Goddess Fellowship Assembly, addressing the concerns and the welfare, the benefits of the female and our children through the components that address both religion, politics, and all those components up under these two umbrellas, because nothing takes place without a woman. It's time for me to get in that White House to make it the right house. To be blessed and have a great day. And as you see, I'm a multiracial American. I have family members of different races, creeds, and colors. And I'm looking forward to your support, your vote, so I can make it happen. We can make it happen.